Hi everyone, welcome back to Kirktoristory. Today we're bringing you along on a super unique experience, switching from one cruise ship to another in just under an hour. That's right, we disembarked the Norwegian Joy in Miami, we walked down the street, and before we knew it, we were boarding Explora 1. So in this video, we'll show you how the process works from getting off the first ship, picking up our luggage, breezing through customs, and then checking in for the next adventure. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to live on cruise ships full time, this is a perfect behind-the-scenes look at our daily life at sea. There's Explora 1, where we will be boarding in a couple of hours. So we're standing here on the Norwegian Joy, ready to walk over to our next ship, and we'll show you the process of how we do that. So this is our luggage and things going in and out of the ship. We just docked in Miami. And we're leaving the Norwegian Joy, and we're just going to disembark this way, and we'll be on our way to the next ship, which is basically 50 feet away. So I'll just show you the disembarkation process. Kirk and I are literally the last people to go. So goodbye, Norwegian Joy. So we just scanned our cards on the Norwegian Joy for the last time. You can see the Norwegian Joy here to the right. And then just the very next ship beyond is the one we will be embarking on in a few minutes. The good thing about being the last off the ship is that only your bags are left, so it's easy to find.
And customs and immigration is still full.
So we just went through customs and we got off the Norwegian Joy, as you know, and we are literally going to this next ship over here, Explora number 1, and we're literally just walking with our bags. All right, we just dropped off our bags and we got this Explora Ocean Terrace, ensuring that we have our passport, our visa, and all of that. So we dropped off the bags, we had them stapled by the porter, and here we are going towards the check-in. You can see Miami in the background there. Bag drop-off was really quick, really friendly. It was nice. A lot different than the ship that we just got off. Entering through the door.
Good morning, welcome
Good morning.
to the security, please.
Okay,
Enjoy your journey.
and here we're going to go through security, and I'll be turning off the camera here. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you today? Welcome aboard.
Good, thank you. What do we have here?
I have iced tea
Iced tea.
and I have orange infused water. Would you like to have some?
No, but thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Okay.
See you around.
All right. Let's see. What's your name?
My
Ratson?
name's Rathan.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you too. Pleasure.
We just had the quickest check-in ever. I think we waited for about 13 seconds. We sat down in the comfy chair and we're already able to board, but we got this, each got this really great pass here that has our room key and all the information that we need. And here we are, we're gonna go up the escalator now.
Enjoy your vacation and you have a wonderful time.
Thank you so
Have fun.
much.
You are so
Okay.
welcome.
Okay,
Okay.
bye. Just trying to look for the nice lady's name. But everybody here so far on Explora is extremely friendly, which I think is a really good thing to say about this cruise line so far. Ooh, first impressions. That's our ship. And we're going on Explora. And here we go. We're just about to board our next ship for the next 2 weeks. Morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good.
Good. Okay. Thank you, guys. So we just came off of the Norwegian Joy, which is literally right ahead of us there. I'll just point to it. There's the Norwegian Joy. And this is the ship we're going to, which is Explora. Good morning. Good, how are you?
Great, thank you.
Good morning, morning. Hello.
Thank you. Welcome on board.
Thank you. Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
All good.
General Manager Martin.
Glad to have you with us.
Thank you.
I've been waiting for you. Excellent.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Explore.
Super friendly so far, like a night and day difference, like we keep saying. The more friendly, happy people here. Get a hand look at this.
Welcome aboard. Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome.
Hi guys. Hey, more about
See
me.
your card, please.
Sure.
E, and this is.
We're the same. We're together.
Okay. Do you see the sign E, orange sign? You need to scan the card over there.
Okay.
Yes, on
The
the
master
paper.
station.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. And then I guess we'll just stop right here. I just want to see a nice overall quick. Very bright, very energetic looking in here. Hi, hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Welcome on board.
Thank you. Are coffees included here?
Yeah, we have coffee, espresso basic.
Really? Oh, do you have almond milk and all of that? Awesome.
Almond, oat, soy,
Almond, oat, and soy.
in-
I think
Can
we
I
went to
have a-
heaven.
Can I have a cappuccino with almond milk?
For now, yes, please.
Awesome. I'm gonna just go scan my card.
Yeah,
At the
please. That's
master
your
station?
mandatory.
Yes.
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 And then
So I'll
I'm
be
going to
back.
come back for one as well.
So it means
Two.
2 almond cappuccino.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, you guys are so nice. Yeah.
Fine.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll be right back. It's like, good morning. How are you? Good, good. Oh, you get champagne for your breakfast too.
We're scanning your card.
For scanning your card.
Good morning. Welcome on board.
Good morning.
And
Letter E. Are those for us or are those for you?
I wish we can have.
I'm joking. Oh my goodness. This is
In case of any emergency, this is a
Sure.
station.
okay. Yes.
Thank you. So remember on deck 5 beside the Crema Cafe.
Yes. I'll be drinking coffee.
this is
right now.
non-alcoholic.
in emergency. No,
I will
otherwise
take that.
I'm joking.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Enjoy on board.
Thank you so much. That's
We also go
rosé.
for lunch.
Oh, I'll try.
And oh, how
you.
come that one's empty?
somebody poured a double glass, so they are not happy with
I
that. So
saw you drinking it.
If I drink it, this is not the leftover.
Yes.
Oh, no.
It will be dry, right?
Kirk, I'm having a non-alcoholic one. That's this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Cheers, honey.
Oh, cheers.
Oh, wait. Sorry. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Lunch, it's on deck 11.
11?
Emporium.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have coffee first.
No.
And then lunch.
This is the house. Everything is for you. You can
Awesome.
enjoy.
What
Thank you.
department do you work in?
In bar.
In the back.
Oh,
Okay.
then you're our new
We'll see you
best
around.
I'll
friend.
see you.
I'm
What's your good
responsibility.
Kirk.
I can see you.
Oh,
Kirk.
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 Like
Patrick.
like
Kirk and-
Captain Kirk.
Even Patrick.
That's my middle name.
I will
Yes.
call because this is a name first.
Okay.
Mr. Payne Victoria.
Victoria. But you call
My
me
name is
Tori.
Bryce.
Blaze.
Bryce.
Bryce.
Yes.
Bryce.
Yes.
And you are
My name is
Karthik.
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 And
We'll see you around.
which bar are you in?
I am working in afternoon in the Explora lounge, evening time in Journey's lounge.
Journey's,
Day
okay.
four. We'll
Perfect.
see you around.
We
We'll see.
will.
Yeah, sure.
We'll remember
Have a good
you.
journey.
Okay.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
guys. And just like that, we're all settled in on Explora 1. What an easy transition from stepping off Norwegian Joy to checking into our new home on the sea in under an hour. We hope this video gave you a great look at how smooth the process can be, and maybe even inspired you to try back-to-back cruises yourself. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and let us know. Have you ever switched ships in one day? Or would you consider trying it? And of course, please make sure that you subscribe to Kirktoristory so you don't miss out on more cruise adventures, tips and tricks from around the world. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.